So, you're thinking about installing concealed or pocket hole hinges. Instead of going out and buying a $300 to $400 drill press, check out the concealed hinge jig from Kreg. Let's dive in.
The concealed pocket hole jig from Kreg. Step 1. Set adjustment to amount of overlay and hinge offset. You can see the adjustment cams on the Kreg concealed hinge jig. Step 2. Set the collar to the desired depth of the Forstner bit. The Forstner bit is included in the kit, as well as the collar and the Allen wrench. Step 3. Attach the drill guide to the jig, and then attach your drill bit to the drill. Makita drill not included. Step 4. Test on a comparable scrap piece of wood, and then adjust your depth. Now you're ready for real life. Step 4. Place jig on project and drill your hole. In positioning, make sure the cams are butted up against the edge of your door. Now test fit your hinge. You may need to go deeper. The Kreg concealed hinge jig includes a ruler for positioning of the jig. I position 2 inches below the bottom of the rail. Step 6. Mount your hinges. I make it look easy, don't I? Well, the Kreg concealed hinge jig makes it easy. Notice the soft close. You get what you pay for. You've mounted your hinges, now mount your door. The concealed hinge jig from Kreg. For more tips and instructions, click the image on your screen now.